Hi there. This is a quick review for Geek On Demand in Montclair, New Jersey. And I had a definitely awesome experience. I called and actually got a person on the phone who very quickly referred me to Alex, who texted me within a really short period of time and set up an appointment and was so kind and supportive and upbeat and not very expensive and basically solved all of my problems with my computer very quickly and easily. So I was so really thoroughly pleased with my experience that here I am giving a review. So I definitely recommend that you give these guys a call. I am keeping them on my team for sure. And I don't want to be doing that stuff by myself. So I'm very happy to have Alex and his team to support me and feeling very confident about that for the future. So give them a call and hope you have a great day. Bye.